We divide 656 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down this 5 and it is 15. So 5 times 3 is 15. On subtracting we get 0. So again we put down the 6 and 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 1. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So now it is 10 and 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 656 divided by 5 is 131 decimal 2. So this much for today and thanks for watching.